sparkles juice. Okay. So, dear Heavenly Father, thank you for the food I'm about to receive, Lord. Let it be nutritious for my body, Lord. And bless those that don't have it in Jesus' name. Thank you. Amen. So, anyway, guys, I said, let me get on here. We have my little seafood. Shrimps. So, lemons always move up and all and get in the way. See? Shrimps there. And then I got some potatoes. And then my sweet peas, guys. I love potatoes and sweet peas, guys. I really love them. So, of course, you know my little slice. Lemon. Decorated lemon. Okay. Put my sauce back there. Okay, so. Yeah. So I'm starting to set it up like I did with the advice that I got. So I'm starting to set it up on top of the, I have my little grill here. So. Anyway, guys, how have you guys been? I hope you guys been good. Hope you guys got something new to go to. I mean, what are you guys doing tonight, huh? Where are you guys going? Anyway, guys, I started, last time I made it, I fried it. It was fried, so. I guess you can see it. So I'm going to squeeze some of this lemon juice on it. Like I tried it last time, it was so good. Give it that rain, I'm going to give y'all the first bite. How about that? My turn. Oh my goodness. That is so divine. Good. That is so good, guys. And foremost, I have to give my Heavenly Father all the glory and the praise. Thank you, Father. Thank you, Jesus. I give you all the glory and the honor. Thank you. I don't know what I'll do without him. Impossible. So also, this is what my lovely peeps are doing. I appreciate you guys so much. And for those of you that are new, welcome, my new lovely peeps. Appreciate you. So, yeah, I say, it's sliding in here. You can still see it. Oh. Okay, anyway, guys, that's what I want to do. I'm going to try to dip the potato in there, see what it tastes like. Okay. It's good too. I didn't have no corn. Okay. What the corn by? Oh well. I'm just using what I got, guys. Oh, yeah. I said, let me get on in. Shout out my lovely peeps. Now these was at, I got it at a grocery outlet. They called down here, right? And we said 2 for $1. But they really was, I said, well, that's a deal, so I'm getting you 2 bottles. Then when I got up there, you know, to the cashier and the counter, he said, $2. I said, well, no, it says two for $1, right? And so he called the manager over there, the cashier, you know, clerk. And I say, well, normally, if they have the prices sitting up underneath, they should give you for that price, right? So she went over there and looked. She went over there and looked, guys. I said, well, I showed her exactly where I got it at. I said, because it definitely says two for $1, you know. So that's why I grabbed it. I said, oh, yeah, that's a good deal. There, oh, man. That's my hands and got so slippery now I can't even open up the bottle. I always had that, huh? Yeah, my hands got so slippery. I can't even open up the bottle. But anyway, and she went over there and looked at it. Excuse me. And she said, oh, yeah, that was for some cranberry juice. I said, well, you guys had none there. And normally, you know, the rule is you're supposed to give the customer for that price. So she did. They wind up giving it to me for that price, guys. So this is Sparkle. Listen. Sparkle with that sesame. I love Sparkle. Sparkle, guys. And I like pina colada, too. Pina colada is good. It's more like a cocktail, kind of like juice, because it says non-alcoholic. It tastes good to me. So when I taste it, I said, oh, yeah, that's delicious. So anyway, yeah, guys, I wind up eating it. Oh, yeah. It's delicious. And that pina colada tastes good. I was going to put some pineapple around it, top of the glass, but I realized I had crushed pineapples instead of chopped slice. Oh, that's okay. I'll just eat what I got. I could have went for my peas a little harder. That's alright. That's real. Let me get on here and talk to my lovely people. I like a full glass. Like this one is that. And pineapple food went with it. But I didn't want to put no crushed pineapple. Well, that's supposed to be chunky, you know. Chunky slice. Or slice. So anyway, so I say, yeah, let me go on here and see what my lovely people's doing. Anyway, guys, I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for your support. And I was saying I want to get my page fixed up, you know. That is so good. And a lot of people say I don't be talking enough with you guys. That's why I try to get my PayPal link to my channel because I need to upgrade my phone. I need a speaker. You know, but I'm losing my speaker on my phone. And I have it turned up as loud as I can get it, so, you know. I know sometimes I put music, music on my phone. I mean, on my channel. YouTube, it offers it, so I download it to that video, trying to give it some, extra pizzazz, you know. So anyway, that's so good. Delicious. Shout out to Sam. Congratulations to Sam. The girl got her merchandise out, her t-shirts. I'm gonna have I don't have to order me some. But she got that so good on there. She got different things on there. I got my water. Babe. She got my water on there. Also, congratulations to her. To you, Sam. So I'll get it together. So I'm going here with my lovely peeps. I appreciate you guys so much. That's good. I'm even assigned to the, the Google ads, but I think my videos are probably not long enough. You guys give me a tip, and let me know. If anybody that's got channels, how long do your videos have to be in order for you to have a couple of ads on there? Because normally, well, because I'm downloading on my phone, and it only let me have so much, let me download so many. I try to do at least 4 videos at least a week. Guys, I got over 200 and some videos on. So I got more than enough, probably close to 3. And so it's a way I have to do it, If I record on my little phone, on an Android phone, and then download it to my YouTube, to the YouTube channel. And after all that's done, I have to delete that video from my phone. I have to delete the video from my gallery, so I can save, so I can have more space. Because if I don't, and if I don't do that, my phone will not let me download, the video that I just did. If I just, recorded, videos and just left them all in my gallery and then delete them. Because that's space on my YouTube already channel anyway, so, excuse me. So I can't have too long a video. Well, I can do 20. So, let me know how long a video has to be in order for you to have ads. Okay. And that's how the ads help. The ads really helps draw the viewers to your channel. So that's how I was trying. I gotta work on it anyway about that. So. Anyway. My lovely peeps. Let me know what you guys doing for tonight, for the weekend. Are you going out? Y'all might be down. I doubt it because the girl that we go from, if she don't be too tired, she work on Saturday, and she work kind of late, like early morning till 7, so she might be too tired to go. Okay, I don't know. You get a certain age. It ain't gonna hurt you. She's like 62. It ain't gonna hurt you to slow down your work. Cause you don't want to wear yourself down. That's what I feel. I'm collecting my retirement pretty soon. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to get on here and have a little chit-chat with my lovely peeps and let you guys know I appreciate you guys so much. I do. In the meantime, cheers, everyone. In the meantime, I'm going to end this video. Like I said, I'm trying to figure out how I can link my PayPal to my channel. I surely need to upgrade my phone so I can better have more space. You know, of my channel. So in the meantime, you guys, don't forget to hit that notification bell, bing, so you'll be notified when I come up with any more videos of mine. Hit that like button. I hope you like this. Hope you like it. Hit that subscribe button. And if you do stay, we'll appreciate you. I will appreciate you guys. In the meantime, guys, I am going to finish up my little shrimpy bowl. And I'm going to say, mwah, mwah. Thank you guys so much. In the meantime, guys, don't worry. Be happy. And I shall see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Much love.